Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's cross-asset report at Denitsa Sokoba. Denitsa, what are you looking at?
Let's start with AMD. Obviously, some of the biggest losses today. It's down about 14% now. The chip maker sales forecast was seen as weak. Ticker, of course, is AMD. Looking at those sales number, what we got, so the expectations was about 9.8 billion. Analysts had estimated 9.4 billion. Some projections were as high as 10 billion. So the gap between what we got and the expectation from analysts is a big reason why we're seeing some of that disappointment. But expectations were pretty high. Citi notes that the upside to the results were boosted by unexpected China sales. Of course, everyone is looking at the bigger payoff from artificial intelligence spending and whether that is indeed happening. There is a lot of pressure for the software names, so that's definitely adding tension here. AMD is still playing catch up with NVIDIA, so everyone is watching that space. AMD was up 77% last year, but still pretty bad start, and they're down year to date.
All right, let's look at another stock that is down for the 7th day in 8, Chipotle.
Yeah, Chipotle projects flat growth, and it comes at after a pretty bad year. The ticker is CMG. Chipotle shares fell as much as 4% at the open. Now they're close to flat on the day, but the stock declined 39% year to date. So any form of relief will be much needed for the company. Sales at established locations are expected to be about flat this year. That's below the average estimate compiled by Bloomberg. It's an interesting trend. They're talking about weight loss drugs, and that definitely weighing on sentiment. Chipotle is facing challenges, of course, from higher prices as well. But the weight loss drug kind of dominated the story. They've been offering those new protein offerings with higher and higher grams of protein. They say that campaign is helping so far, but clearly consumers may be opting for healthier or less food is definitely affecting the bottom line of the company.
I went to Chipotle yesterday, 3rd Avenue, had a great lunch.
Did you get protein, extra protein?
I don't even know what protein is, dude. I get the same thing I've been ordering for 50 years.
Yeah, but how much does it cost?
Yeah.
It's like 10, 11, 12 bucks, something like that. I mean,
Wait, what did you get?
2 hard tacos, chicken, peppers and onions, pico de gallo, cheese.
Good.
So it was all good.
That's a lot of protein.
Dude, it's what I don't say protein. It's just I got chicken or beef or something like that.
Yeah.
Enough with the protein stuff.
So it's not working for some people, the protein headline.
I guess not. Match Group, what do you got for us?
Dating. Match Group shares jumped as much as 15%. The rally is not as strong now. Now the company is up about 2%. Ticker is MTCH. So they hold 2 of the big dating apps, and we're kind of seeing a different story there. The company reported earnings per shares above estimates, but what we're seeing is for one of the dating apps, Tinder, the company expects revenue declines, while for the other app, Hinge, the company expects to post double-digit growth and projects a low to mid-20s increase in revenue. It's an interesting outlook there. Analysts have 7 buys and 15 hold ratings. That said, there are no sell ratings, but interesting company to watch, and it's having a pretty good day. After I think the company has a down year ever since it's went public in 2021. So It's been a rough one.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.